Hello friends. Some of our viewers watch the video but do not subscribe. Friends, liking and subscribing to our videos will be a great motivation and support for us. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. The attractive design of the Genesis GV80 catches the eye even when parked. Former 10 best winner, this refined SUV offers luxury with another benefit that its rivals from Porsche and BMW simply don't offer. Surprisingly good starting price. 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 304 HP comes standard but can only be configured with 2 rows of seats. The much more impressive twin turbocharged V6 engine produces 380 HP, allows you to add a 3rd row and seat up to 7 passengers. All GV80s use an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The GV80's interior is truly plush, from the heated and cooled seats for front and rear passengers to the heated armrests and near silent ride, even at highway speeds. If you want to know everything about the 2025 Genesis GV80, watch this video until the end. Because in this video, we have mentioned the new Genesis GV, including its release date, price, package, features, safety, and more. The Genesis GV80 gets updated for 2025 with some meaningful and new equipment. For starters, the twin turbocharged V6 gains 5 horsepower, now producing 380 ponies and 390 pound-feet of torque. The turbocharged inline-4 returns for 2024 with slightly more oomph, now producing 304 horsepower for base-level GV80is. A sportier GV80 Coupe also joins the lineup as a 2025 model year addition, but we review that separately. The GV80 wears a new grille and what the company calls micro lens array headlamps from the 90 sedan. Though their different design does take a moment or two to spot. There are new wheel designs featuring a 20-inch multi-spoke unit and a 22-inch option. Store Green, which is offered in glossier matte, is a new color for 2025. On the inside, the guide, vase, gauge, cluster, and infotainment display are now jointly presented on a massive 27.0-inch wide touchscreen. Genesis adds 3 new interior shades for 2025, Earth Brown, Bordeaux Brown, and Glacier White. If you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel right now and join the Kerners family. All GV80s come bearing plentiful standard features, including navigation, 27.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, heated front seats, wireless charging, and a power liftgate. There is no poor choice here. We're big fans of the extra power provided by the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, which costs approximately $8,000 over the base 2.5 model. We'd also opt for the Prestige trim that upgrades to Napa leather seating, adjustable rear seats with heated and cooled cushions, and 22-inch wheels. Engine, transmission, and performance. This mid-size luxury crossover has the same underpinnings as the ID sedan and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The engine choices start with a 304 HP turbocharged 2.5 liter 4-cylinder and escalate to a 38 HP twin turbo 3.5 liter V6. The latest changes add only a smidge of power to both engines, so we expect virtually no change to the 2025 GV80's performance. Nor do we anticipate any changes to the GV's impressive ride and handling. Without a doubt, Genesis's efforts to make a large 3-row feel athletic in corners are a success. Even at highway cruising speeds across tattered Michigan roadways, it delivers a wonderfully quiet ride. Buyers seeking more thrills could consider a Porsche Cayenne or an Audi Escort. However, interior, comfort, and cargo. Photos don't do justice to how rich and elegant the GV's interior is. Even the lower trims are finished with classy touches like burled wood trim, metal accents, and integrated ambient lighting. The wide-spanning display set into the dash keeps matters upscale but uncluttered. The front seats are comfortable, supportive, and available with a massage function that feels legitimately relaxing. A standard 3 across bench seat in the 2nd row allows for up to 5 passengers. A 3rd row of seats is an optional feature, but space back there is limited and should be considered a place solely for kids. Price and which one to buy? Genesis GV80 2.5 model, $59,000. Genesis GV 2.5A extended model is $66,000. Genesis GV80 3.5 model $67,000. Genesis GV 2.5A Prestige model $71,000. Genesis GV 3.5 extended model $74,000. Genesis GV 3.5 Prestige model $79,000. Genesis GV80 3.5 Prestige Model Matte $80,000 and Genesis GV 3.5 Prestige Model Signature Use $84,000. Safety and driver assistance features. A full suite of driver assistance features is standard, including a semi-autonomous driving mode, which learns how the owner drives and mimics that person's driving style while in use. Safety features include standard adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode, standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Guys, we hope this video will be useful for you. If so, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or dislike.